Hello everybody. In this video I would like to present how you can get your A license, your driving license, so you will be able to ride your favorite motorcycles or less favorite if you don't have money for your favorite motorcycle on the UK roads, and obviously after that in Europe or wherever you want to go. So stay tuned, wait until the end and you'll find out all the cost and everything what I had to do in order to get my license. First of all, a big shout out to my friend Nick, who literally pushed me into doing this, because probably without him I wouldn't even get here where I am. He pushed me from the day he heard I want to get my A license. So the very first thing that you need to do is to get your CBT license, which with my local company here in Kettering, it cost me £209. I'm gonna leave a print screen with the prices over here. This CBT basically is a one-day course where you learn the basics: clutch control, road awareness, how not to fall over in front of everyone, in front of your mates probably. You spend a few hours off-road, then go for a ride with your instructor. What you do is go to the school, you get probably 1 or 2 hours of let's say in-house training, where the instructor tells you what to do and what not to do, and then they introduce you to the motorcycle, where you learn the motorcycle, basically what's the clutch, where's the gears, how to ride it, and all these kind of things. It's an easy thing, it's not a hard bit to do it. And then after a bit of riding inside of their school, doing like eights and going with one hand, blah blah blah, these kind of things, you go out. Basically easy, it's nothing hard to worry about. So yeah, this is a CBT course. It takes 8 hours and it costs £189. I'm gonna put it here on the screen so everybody can see it. And after that, when you feel you're ready, you can start doing your full A license. I applied for a full license probably a year after I've done my CBT. So in between I did ride a 125cc bike, but don't get me wrong, that bike was just nothing what I've been expecting of riding. So don't get expectation from 125, it's not fun at all. But it's good. I bought one just after I passed my CBT. Have it, ride it, learn how to rise, learn how to fall over. Obviously, get the suit. First, get the gear. You're not allowed to go out without the gear. I'm telling you because I've seen it. It's not good. It's not. After you decided to go for a full license, for a full A license, with this particular company, you've got 3 options. You've got 4 days training, including the test, 5 days, and 6 days. So the cost will be as follow. The 4-session full test course, obviously without the CBT, it is £926. The 5 days course is £1,135, and the 6-session full test, it will be £1,344. This is all depend how good you are, and also the price would disappear, will be a bit different if you haven't done your CBT. With your CBT included, if you didn't make it separately, will be a bit of a difference on the price. But what I have here, it is the prices on the April 2026. So again, 4 days 926, 5 days 1135, and 6 days 1344. After you choose of how many sessions you need to do, you'll get there to the training place. They're gonna introduce you to the 600cc bike, and you're gonna ride it probably in their yard for a bit, and then straight on out on the road. For me, I think it was 5 days, so I had 4 days out on the road with the instructor and another trainee. And then I had to do my module 1 and module 2. What is module 1 test and module 1 means? Right, so module 1 is off-road, slalom, figure of 8, emergency stop, all good stuff. I mean, it felt hard because I've never ride a bike on a high speeds or whatever, but at the end, because I passed it, it was easy. I can do a different video about this, obviously, but module 1 is just basically you go off-road, you do slaloms, you have an emergency stop, you need to go on figure of 8, obviously without putting your leg down, and also all sort of this stuff. You'll see plenty of videos on YouTube about this. And then is module 2, which is you go with the examiner, where he follows you with the headset, tells you where to go. That's easy as well. I mean, after a few days of training with your instructor, that's easy, because the instructor normally gets you to the places where the examiner will take you. That's pretty much easy. Obviously, I was nervous anyway. I even stole it at some point, but lucky me, I got my license. So that's it. I got my CBT. Obviously the theory, I didn't go through this because I can't remember when I took it. But yeah, I got my CBT. 1 year later I got my module 1, module 2. You know the cost. I know it's a lot, but it's well worth it, to be fair. Well worth it. Especially when you have a bike in mind, a bike you probably already did, you know. But let me know in the comments if you want more details about it, because I'm sure, I'm 100% sure I can cover with much. Yeah, don't forget to, if you get to here at this very end of the video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, it will help me a lot. And also, if you got any questions, go on comment and I will answer to all, and I'll see you on the road, because why not? That's why we get our bike license doing. So yeah, I'll see you over there on the road, and don't forget, have fun, and be careful out there. Hopefully this video was useful for you, and I'll see you on the next one.